Alright, so we got the 66 Riviera, and I'm checking out the oil pressure. So I got just my two-way drill bit, the one you take in and put out the smaller side on either one. So it goes in there pretty easily. Got that crazy glare. Let's see, there we go. So that's just my drill bit. So that's the shaft, and you got the flathead on the other end. So now I'm spinning it and seeing what we get here. So got it coming out this side here. Pretty nasty stuff, but yeah. So the oil pump is working. So that's that. Alright, so here's the turnover. Let me get some. Alright, here we go. This is the passenger side. I'm sorry, the driver's side.